Welcome and thank you for joining us. We are looking at KCSE 2011 paper 2 question number 17, and the question we have reads, the cash price of a laptop was 60,000. On hire purchase terms, the deposit of 7,500 was paid, followed by 11 monthly installments of Kenya shillings 6,000 each. Part A, calculate Roman 1, the cost of a laptop on hire purchase. Very simple. We have been told that the cash price is 60,000. But the laptop can be bought on hire purchase. Remember, hire purchase is given by deposit plus total monthly installments. We have a deposit of 7,500 plus we are going to pay the balance in 11 months, and each month is going to be 6,000. That means we should be having 7,500 plus 11 times 6,000 will give us 66,000, giving us a total of Kenya shillings 73,500 as the hire purchase amount. That is part A, Roman 1 done. Then Roman 2, they want us to calculate the percentage increase of hire purchase compared to the cash price. Remember, we have the cash price of 60,000. We also have the hire purchase of 73,500. That means the increase is obtained by taking the hire purchase minus the cash price. The hire purchase is 73,500 minus the cash price of 60,000, and this one gives us a total of 13,500. Once we have the increase, getting the percentage increase, we simply take the increase, which is 13,500, to divide by the total cash price of 60,000 times 100%, and this gives us a percentage of 22.5. We are moving to part B. Remember to subscribe and also help us to share the link. B, an institution was offered 5% discount when purchasing 25 such laptops on cash terms. Calculate the amount of money paid by the institution. Let us get the total cost of 25 laptops. Cost of 25 laptops without discount is going to be 60,000. You multiply by the number of laptops, and this one is going to give us an amount equivalent to 1,500,000. Remember, a discount of 5% has been offered. Meaning amount paid is going to be equal to 100 minus discount, giving us 95%. So amount paid, therefore, will be 95% of the total, and the total we have is 1,500,000, and this gives us an amount equivalent to Kenya shillings 1,425,000. 1,425,000 is the total amount that was paid by the institution. We now move to the last part, which is part C. Two institutions X and Y bought 25 such laptops each. Institution X bought the laptops on hire purchase. So we have institution X using hire purchase, and remember the hire purchase amount was shilling 73,500, meaning amount paid by X, amount paid by X will be equal to 73,500. You multiply by the total number of laptops, which is 25, and this one is going to give us a total of 18,37,500. So if we have the total amount of money paid by X as 1,837,500, we can now proceed and get the amount Y paid. So Y used cash price terms, and the cash price was 60,000, but this amount was borrowed from an institution that pays the rate of percent of 12 for 2 years. So the term borrowed is 2 years. Then of course they want us to calculate how much more money institution Y paid than institution X. We must first get the amount of each laptop. So the amount is going to be equal to the compound interest formula, which is principal being equal to 1 plus R divided by 100 to raise to N. So amount is going to be equal to, the principal is going to be the cash price of 60,000 multiplied by 1 plus, the rate is 12 over 100, you raise it to N. That gives us 60,000 into 1 plus 12 divided by 100 will give us 1.12. Then we raise this to 2, and this one is going to give us a total of 75,264 shillings. This is per laptop. So amount spent by institution Y will be equal to the amount paid per laptop. Amount paid per laptop is 75,264. We multiply by the total number of laptops, which are 25, and this gives us an amount equivalent to 1,881,600. So the difference is going to be equal to 18,881,600 minus the amount spent by X is 18,37,500, and the difference between the two will give us 44,100 shillings. Thank you for watching and welcome to our channel. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two, click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you'll automatically be given a notification. And to our supporters, we really appreciate your support because you are the reason we continue making our videos. Thank you and welcome.